Okay, guys, I'm testing a theory. When I opened the fish one, when I picked that ball out, I felt it was heavy. These two, like, I went through and picked up around a few, and these ones feel very heavy and feel very, like, one-sided weight heavy. Like, it'll tip over and fall back to that one spot. So I think these might be frogs. So I really gotta know. And I've heard that there are different weights for the balls and that, but I don't actually care enough to weigh them. But I'm just curious if my suspicions about, like, the fact that this is so heavy is the frog. It will be hilarious. If it's the lettuce, hey, I still need my lettuce. Or if it's a fish, because it could be that one of that koi fish that has that big water bottle. Well, I think it's a fish. Ha! I was right. Fish with the big water bottle. Bam! That actually works out well because I wasn't overly happy with the mold I made for this guy. So now I can make the mold again. And I was actually debating if I wanted to try molding this guy. So maybe I'll try that this weekend. So, and we got our stand paper. Okay, so I was right a bit. The weight on this one definitely pulls you the one way. So, heavier weighted one, likely to be small. Oh, I could get a bunch of lily pads. Ooh. Sorry, my brain is thinking about all these other projects. And here's our little adorable fish. So I might try molding him later. Okay. This was the other one that was fairly heavy too. And now I'm kind of wondering if it's another fish. Because it felt like same kind of heavy as that other ball. So, oh, come on. There we go. Let's take a peek. All right. Oh, it's the exact same fish. Okay. Sweet. So I now know apparently the physical weight of the second koi fish. So go me. It's good to know, right? So I forgot to go through the book with you guys. So this is the one that I now have 2 duplicates of. I have a duplicate of him already. This is the frog is what I was thinking it was based on the weight. But I also kind of forgot that this one comes with that big bottle of resin. So either way, if you're looking for a frog or a fish one, they're going to be lighter than the plants. So if that's one of the ones in particular you're looking to find, I would definitely do some shaking and weight checking. Not with a scale. We're not that crazy over here. I mean, I get it. Some people are like diehard collectors. I just want to have fun. All right, so we'll open this guy. This guy is light. I feel like it's a plant. So I also feel like I'm reaching the point where sometimes I might just open a bunch of these and see what we get. So the ones we're still missing are the carrots, the lettuce, and the basil and rosemary. We have had duplicates of the strawberry and tomatoes, which is awesome. Because, you know, I like those. And alright, let's see what this one is. Please be a new one. Man, that flower one again. Alright. So we got another duplicate of the flowers. Man, sadness. Oh well. Still works for me. So, which, I mean, I'm not overly sad because these flowers are really pretty. And I was thinking of doing like a flower garden thing or making like little pots or something, but alright, so nothing new in this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.